Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are solving these LeetCode questions in this playlist, and today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 596. So this is quite an easy question and we will see two approaches to solve this problem. So the problem is we have to write a solution here to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. Consider this table, student in class. You could clearly see how many students are enrolled in this class maths. 1 2 3 4 5 6 students are included in this class math. So yes, this will be included in the answer. For English there is only one, bio there is only one, and computer there is only one student enrolled. So the answer will be just maths. So how we are going to tackle this question? It's quite simple. We have to just group by on this class. We will have a lot of groups, and then we are going to check the count on each group. If it is greater than or equals to 5, then include that in the answer. If not, then reject it. We will solve this problem with two approaches, one by simple group by and one by the Windows function. So let's go to the data grid. I am in the data grid. I've already prepared the data. Let's check this class course. We have all these things. So as I've said, we have to group by based on the class, and also I could put a having clause here, having count of student greater than or equals to 5. I've already explained this having clause and group by clause in one of the videos, so please watch that video before coming to this video. If you know this, then it's okay. See, we are able to get the maths, and what I just want to return class only. I'm able to fetch this result. We have solved a lot of problems with the help of window functions. Can we solve this problem with the window functions as well? Let's see that, which is the approach number 2 here. Select star from courses. What I need to do, I just need to do a count of over. I need to do a partition by based on class, partition by class, and count. I need to check the student. This is what I really want. See, I'm able to get this. Maths have 6 students, English has 1, computer has 1, biology has 1. Let me just name this as CT. Now this is my derived table. I have to do further operation on this table. So how do we do it? Just like this. Wrap this query like this. Select star from. I have to just put where x.ct greater than or equals to 5. And if I just do this, I'm able to get math. I just need to return the distinct class here, and see, I'm able to get my result with the help of the window functions as well. I'm going to submit both the solution in the LeetCode and check whether our solution is right or not. So let's go to the LeetCode. I am in my LeetCode. I have already explained this question 596. I'm going to check this. Let me just comment out this solution first. Run. No syntax errors. Let me submit it. No syntax error. I am able to beat a lot of students here. Let me submit my second solution here now, and let me run this for any syntax error. My answer is being accepted. No syntax errors. Let me submit this. Yes, see, I am able to beat a lot of people out there in this LeetCode for this question. So by this time, you will be noticed that with the help of window functions, we could solve a lot of problems, even those problems which we could solve by traditional group by and having clause as well. So these window functions are quite powerful. Make sure that you have a very good knowledge about these window functions, and also you have practiced a lot on these window functions. If you do this, then you could clear a lot of SQL interviews with a lot of ease. If you are liking this content, then please like and please subscribe to my channel. and also share this video to all your SQL friends. Till then, keep watching. Happy learning.